Welcome back to Wicked Rides. So today is another LASFIT video. If you guys remember, the last LASFIT, it was for the switchback fog lights, the white LED, and then the yellow ambrish color for when you need fog lights in the fog so you can see better. These are their headlights that we're now going to put in the AUXBEAM housings that we put in the Ram. So this is how they came. Well, of course, in a package. But this is the box. I have yet to open it. Okay, so there's the box. Manual. Looks like some decals. And then the bulbs. So that's actually a good thing. I was worried about the fans because every LED bulb has different size fans. And that is what makes it be a pain in the ass to be able to fit them in your housings, whether it's a stock housing or an aftermarket housing. The very first set of LEDs that I tried to put in the 18 Lemon Law truck, it was a different size fan, actually a different shape as well, it was more like an oval, and there was no way in hell they were fitting. So you definitely need the circle fans, but then like the ones I have now, the F-150 LEDs, that fan is probably another ½ inch to an inch longer than these. It's a bigger fan, so it made it more of a pain to get it in, but it does give it more heat dissipation, I guess. That's what it's for. But the fan is perfect size, so let's get one of these in the housing, compare it to the AUXBEAM that is in there currently, and then swap the other one, see the difference. All right, so we got one in. The driver's side is the new LASFIT LED bulb, and this side is the AUXBEAM LED bulb. So let's stand back so you can see the difference. As you can see, I'm standing in the middle of the truck. The passenger side AUXBEAM, you can still see the edge around the inside of the housing. The LASFIT, you cannot. You only get a little bit down there in the corner. So you can see it's putting out more light than the AUXBEAMs. And turn around here. So left side, right here, LASFIT, AUXBEAM. LASFIT obviously puts out a lot more light. You can see it's cut off, and it's cut off on the garage door way over here. This one goes the whole way over to the side, not cut off at the garage door, which still, truck is parked directly in the middle of the garage door, so it should be equal on both sides on the end of the door. LASFIT is obviously brighter. The fan looks good. That's high beam, low beam. Because they're the same bulb with these AUXBEAM housings. That's how they work. So let's go ahead and swap out the other one and see the difference. All right, we got both in. See how bright they both are? They look really good. And they do match the planks. Let's get up here a little closer so you can focus. They do match the planks really well, which is hard because the planks are usually such a pure white kind of color. The bulbs do match really well. And let's take a look here. And bright as hell. So if on the last set, AUXBEAM on the passenger side, right there in the corner of the garage there was no light about right there. Now it is lit up. So you can see it's putting out a lot more light, which of course is what you want on the road. And they're focused. It's a projector housing, so even better. Now, if you notice the steps, so every housing is going to be like that, and the bulbs do have a clear cutoff, which is what you want, but the steps are backwards for whatever reason. So we're going to have to swap that and just adjust the height. So the passenger side is supposed to be higher than the driver side. So they just need swap, just adjust on the housing itself, pull the passenger up higher, the driver will just stay where it is. So you can see they're brighter and they match perfectly with the fog lights that we already put in from LASFIT. They're off at the moment. So you can see just the bulbs themselves, how bright they are. See, match perfectly. And now you're not gonna have any issues seeing anything. And again, remember, the fog lights are switchback. They go yellow with, so it's better in actual fog. I mean, it's gorgeous, look at that. Links in the description, LASFIT. I'll see y'all next time.